Welcome back to the channel. Today is October 28th, 2025, and we're going over the latest update on Bigbear.Ai Holdings, ticker BBAI, traded on the NYSE. BBAI is currently trading around $7.06 per share, slightly down 0.63% today. The stock opened at $7.05, with a day low of $6.955 and a high near $7.10. Over the past year, the stock price has ranged from a low near $1.51 to a high of $10.36, showing strong volatility typical of AI and tech stocks. The market cap stands around $2.6 billion with average daily volume near 173 million shares. The company specializes in AI-powered analytics and has been expanding its offerings in defense, intelligence, and commercial markets. While earnings per share are negative at minus 1.58, the 50-day and 200-day moving averages at $5.58 and $4.61 suggest the stock is trading well above key technical levels, reflecting recent investor interest. For trading strategy, short-term traders should watch support near $6.50 and resistance close to $7.20. Buying near support with tight stop-loss orders can help manage risk in this volatile sector. A breakout above $7.20 on strong volume could signal further upside potential. Swing traders may hold positions as long as the price stays above the 50-day moving average, but must monitor news flow closely, especially any AI sector developments or company earnings reports. Given the high beta and volatility of BBAI, risk management and position sizing remain crucial for all traders. That's your latest update on BBAI as of October 28th, 2025. Stay tuned for more market insights and trading tips. Thanks for watching.